everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are adding on to the series of the Discord server basics. Today we are talking about text channels and voice channels. So as you can see, there's just a general. Both are just general, and basically we just want to have different different selections. Say you want to post memes or something. You don't want everything to be in the general chat, or else you can't really find anything. So yeah, let's get started. So usually text channels are usually most important for me because I'm used to typing, and yeah. But we're gonna be talking about both. But yeah, so one thing that I just want to add is never delete your general channel, because don't. That'll just be general chat, just people talking to each other and that type of thing. But you want to have different selection, and yeah. So let's just start. Start the most basic one is memes. And yeah, that's there. And don't text channels are only like lowercase. The names are only lowercase. You can add emojis and stuff. Sometimes it looks better. It depends on what you want your Discord server to look like. If you want it to have lots of pictures and whatever, definitely put emojis, but it's not important. Having emojis is not like the most important thing for your Discord server. So let's just add memes there, and then you have a whole new channel, and you can edit who you want to be in there. So let's go over to permissions. This is, you can add the roles that you want to talk in here, and then if you don't want just everyone talking in here, you can put X on everything, and then go up here to this this plus, and put in like owner, moderators, that type of thing. Now that memes is done, you can definitely add a emoji like I said, and yeah. And I'm just gonna be talking about and adding the most basic ones. You can add staff zone, whatever you want. That's not needed, but yeah. And if you have a Discord server with your friends, you really only need general chat and pictures or something. So in case you want to send pictures to your friends, then you can do that. And also, in general, is just you talk to each other. But if you're doing a public server and you want everyone to be able to see this, you definitely want a lot more things in here. So you want general memes, and then a lot of people put food because I like talking about food. A lot of people like talking about food. So you can put food. And there's another one, food. And then also, if you don't like the way that's out here, you can go like that. And yeah. So yeah, food. And then you can also have staff zone if you have a public, like I said before. But that's not needed. Staff you don't need at all. But yeah. So now that you have general, memes, and food, you can really add whatever you want. These are just I'm just using this as an example. And then also now we can go to voice channels. You can say you have a video games server, so you can put gaming chat. Wait. Chat. And then if you have many, then you can put gaming chat 1, gaming chat 2, that type of thing. And yeah. So let me add gaming chat here. Then you can, and then if you move that, oh, I've just put a text channel in here. So in case you do that, I'm just telling you, so in case you do that, then you can go edit and then delete channel. And then you can go back, add channel, and then click on voice. And then you want to go gaming chat. And then you can, like I said before, you can do gaming chat 1, gaming chat 2, whatever. So gaming chat there. And yeah, you can also have food. You can talk about food. So food, and that's another one. I made the same mistake, but I'm sure you know what I mean. Here, edit channel, delete it. If you go back, it's food. Then you can go voice channel, create channel, and that's pretty much all the channels and stuff. So and then one thing is you also should put rules, and this is rules, and then make sure that's a text channel. Put that at the top because it's you should prioritize that. And then you just want to list some basic rules. These rules you can put no political talk and stuff like that. Whatever you think is important, like no racism, no sexism, all that important stuff. And to get a new line, you just go shift return, and you have that there. But all those things is good, and then you want to press return there, and then you see that. And basically, with this channel, you're gonna want to edit it so it's not just like a channel that everyone can use. So you just want to say like everyone. Then you want to put create. Actually, better is you just want to see the only thing you want on is read messages, and then read message history, and then turn everything else off. And yeah, you just escape. The only thing you want is read messages. That's the only thing you want on. Make sure everything is X'd. And that is pretty much it for the video. You can I just gave you all the basic things. You can add whatever you want, and like everything else that you want, and yeah, that should be the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And leave in the comments if this helped you. Leave a like if this helped you, and then dislike if it doesn't help you. Any feedback really means a lot, and it means a lot for me, so I can change up what I do. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.